To fix a pilot-like water heater that won't light, several issues may be the cause. These include a damaged thermocouple, a clogged pilot tube, or a faulty control valve. The thermocouple plays a crucial role in determining if the pilot is on and regulating the gas supply. Over time, it can degrade and become faulty. To address this, test the thermocouple for continuity. If it lacks continuity, replacement is necessary. If replacing the thermocouple doesn't resolve the issue, the next step is to clean the pilot tube, which provides the gas needed to light the pilot flame. Cleaning can be done by removing dirt with a needle or wire. If cleaning the pilot tube is unsuccessful, the control valve may be the problem. The control valve features a pilot control knob that manages the gas flow into the heater. A faulty control valve will need to be replaced. By following these steps, it's possible to fix a pilot water heater that won't light.